You're struggling to make ends meet, right? You're tired of those surprise overdrafts and wondering where your money vanished. You've heard about Goodbudget, the app promising financial freedom. But here's the burning question: is Goodbudget actually free? Let's dive in and uncover the truth. We all want financial peace of mind. We want to know where our money is going, and more importantly, where it's going to go. That's where budgeting apps like Goodbudget come into play. They promise to transform your financial life, but do they deliver? And most importantly, will they cost you anything? Let's talk about the basics of budgeting. It's essentially about allocating your income to different spending categories. Think of it like dividing a pie into slices. Each slice represents a different expense: rent, groceries, entertainment, and so on. The goal is to ensure each slice gets its fair share. Traditional budgeting can be a pain, involving spreadsheets or physical envelopes. That's where digital budgeting tools like Goodbudget come in. They promise to simplify the process. Goodbudget uses a system inspired by the classic envelope budgeting method. Remember those physical envelopes where you'd put cash for different categories? Goodbudget does the same thing digitally. You create virtual envelopes for different expenses, allocate funds to them, and then track your spending. It's like having a virtual wallet with multiple compartments. Now, the big question: is Goodbudget completely free? Well, the short answer is yes and no. Goodbudget offers a free version with basic features. You can create a limited number of envelopes, track your spending, and sync your data across devices. This is perfect for those just starting their budgeting journey or with simple financial needs. But what if you need more? Goodbudget also offers a premium version with additional features. For a monthly or annual fee, you can unlock unlimited envelopes, advanced reporting, and other perks. So, while the core functionality of budgeting is free, extra features come with a price tag. It's important to weigh the pros and cons. The free version might be sufficient for your needs, especially if you're just starting out. But if you find yourself needing more envelopes or advanced features, the premium version might be worth considering. So, is Goodbudget worth it? That depends on your individual needs and financial goals. If you're looking for a simple, free way to start budgeting, Goodbudget is a great option. But if you need more advanced features and are willing to invest a little, the premium version might be the better choice. Remember, budgeting is a journey, not a destination. It takes time and effort to establish good financial habits. Whether you choose the free or premium version of Goodbudget, consistency is key. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.